Hello everyone. In this video, we will be looking at question tags, which are a rather simple form of language structure, but it is really commonly used and it really sets you apart as a good English speaker. So a question tag is like a little question added at the end of an affirmative sentence. Like for example, you are an English student, aren't you? So question tags are used for two reasons, either to ask for confirmation or to involve the speaker in the conversation. Like for example, when I ask, you're an English student, aren't you? So in this example, I'm almost certain that the main phrase that you are an English student is true, but I just want you to confirm it. So by adding the question tag, you just want the listener to respond. Um, so that's a situation wherein you would use a question tag. So, but in comparison, if you were to ask someone a question, are you from the city? So in this sense, you don't know the answer at all. But for question tags, when you say you are from the city, aren't you? So in this case, you are 90% sure that the person is in fact from the city, but you just want them to confirm. So in such situations, you would use a question tag. You are from the city, aren't you? So question tags are also usually a way to start a conversation or to encourage someone to speak up. Like for example, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? So isn't it, the question tag is you by saying that you know that the weather is beautiful, you just expect the person to agree with you, but you need them to respond so that you can start a conversation. So that is how question tags are used. To create a question tag is a little tricky and needs some practice, but the main thing to remember while constructing a question tags is that the first one, question tag always has two words. The two words are usually auxiliary or modal verbs of the main sentence plus the subject. So if the main sentence is affirmative, the question tag will be negative. And if the main sentence is negative, then the question tag will be affirmative. So for example, you can swim, can't you? So here the main sentence, you can swim, is affirmative, which is why the question tag can't you is negative. So in order to help create the question tag, you should think what the question form of the sentence would be and then make it negative or affirmative. Like the sentence, you like football. So the question would be, do you like football? And the question tag would be, you like football, don't you? So again, you like football is affirmative, which is why the question tag, don't you, is negative. So question tags are also used with the verb to be. So all verbs that we make, all verbs, for all of them, we make questions by adding the auxiliary verb to do. But the only exception for this is the verb to be. So when we make question tags with to be, we just invert the verb and the subject as we do in normal questions. Like for example, you are an English student, aren't you? So the one irregularity with the verb to be is that when you use a negative question tag with the first person singular, you use aren't instead of am not. So you say I'm late, aren't I? You won't say I'm late, am I not? So that is one irregularity. Apart from that, when the tag is affirmative following a negative sentence, you can use am I. Like for example, I'm not late, am I? So question tags for imperatives. So when you add a question tag for imperative sentences, you use will or won't. So an example would be help yourself to some cake, won't you? So here it is an imperative sentence. So you add won't you at the as a question tag at the end of the sentence. So that would be it for the question tags. And I hope you found this video useful. Do subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on new videos. And thank you for watching.